Yeah, so data and AI is important for organizations because there's a massive amount of information that we can use to make better decisions about, our business, where we're going as a, as a organization and things like that to, improve processes, improve the way we deal with our customers, our clients, and all those things. Looking at Insight's data and AI practice, it's composed of three core capabilities. Data platform, which we consider as our critical foundational piece, business intelligence, and AI. So core capabilities are those three. We then wrap those with best practices around automation, continuous delivery, monitoring, so you're getting your DevOps, data ops, ML ops type practices. And then kind of overarching that whole concept are governance components of security, managing your data, making sure people understand what your data means. That's what we do as a practice at Insight.
So everybody confuses AI and ML, and for the purposes of any discussion, they're usually the same thing. But machine learning is really just focused on the fact that we want a machine to be able to learn. Okay, so we have to basically understand what is it that we expect the machine to learn, and then why are we sort of training the machine to be able to make decisions.
So machine learning has been around for a long time, and part of the challenge with machine learning and data scientists is there's a lot of things that we call research and development, right? They're creating models, they're experimenting, trying to predict things, but oftentimes they're not really put into business practices or in applications that allow us to use those models to make smarter decisions. They're what you would say more lab type environments. So ML ops, kind of bridging the gap, ML ops allows us to put those models into a production type setting where we can leverage them for a business perspective or for a business purpose.
Well, the first thing is probably to just think about what is your business problem. The big thing that I see that happens a lot with organizations, which I think is a bit problematic, is they come to us and say, we want to be an AI company, or we want to be AI enabled or machine learning enabled. The reason why they want to become AI enabled is really what we're looking for. And then we can provide these capabilities that allow them to be able to realize that need. And then it's an evolutionary process typically, because they start usually relatively simple, and then you can move on to more complex situations, gather more data, collect more data, etc.
You're looking for somebody that has broad experience building out data platforms, using repeatable frameworks to accelerate, let's say, speed to insights. Companies that have frameworks that allow us to automate and get things into production faster, make them more easily maintainable, consistent, all that good stuff. That's what you would essentially be looking for in a good partner, is that depth of experience and capability that we have on our team. Yeah, so if we're trying to drive towards machine learning or AI types of use cases, one of the first things we want to do is have an ideation session with a customer or a client of ours. Understand, hey, what are your pain points? Who are the people involved in that? What kind of data do you need to solve these problems? Is this a prioritization for the organization? Is there stakeholder, interest in doing something like this? How complex is the situation? When do you need it? Those are the types of inputs that we would need to really drive out a successful AI or ML type of operation.